Hello, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching the video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, and there is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is excellent. You enjoy the surroundings. Facilities online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various leave plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can go through the link provided in the description. For more details, check description of the video. If you are facing any kind of problem with this property, just by commenting. If you have already checked out this property, share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel, subscribe our channel, and press the bell for upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.